9 o'clock in the morning and banana time. Just finishing up my breakfast. I had some yogurts and I'm sleepy and it's raining and it's dark. Showed me the way out of town. Really nice people at Pension Mino. Highly recommended. Love the room, love the bathtub. Monteforte de Lemos has all the services you need. I stopped off at the bank machine. There are a number of bridges crossing the river in the city. I have the bad, unfortunate luck of being on the road bridge. There's a nice medieval bridge over there. And I think there's also another medieval bridge further down. This city is one of the bare minimum starting points if you want to walk to Santiago and go to the pilgrim office and get a certificate. So the minimum distance is 100 kilometers. I think it's about 130 kilometers here to Santiago, so a teeny bit longer. The sports store, and in the storefront they have Camino de Invierno, 129 kilometers to Santiago. It's a road walk to enjoy the views in the rain yesterday, so today I'm soaking it all in. Nature park area and a little bridge crossing. I'm on a bridge doing a bridge dance, da 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 da. A bridge dance, da 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 da. Yeah. This is Corga. First time I've seen numbers on the stone marker. I think it's definitely more than 119 kilometers. Nice try though. Quite a few ruined buildings in this village. The church on the way out of town, and there's a cross. Crossing the big highway on a road. Walking on a quiet road with these orange trees. Walking through all these great oak trees. Woo! It's fall! Os Campos. An owl to scare birds from the garden. Oh, now there's the purple owl church, and there is a fountain here. Jesus on one side and Mary on the other. Good view of the countryside. Through another small town. I'm at a big junction, and this is a old looking sign. Fall colors. This is a palace. Pazo. Regulo. Someone was just shooting over there. I heard gunshots. Target practice or hunting? I don't know. Passing by Pinero. The way is waterlogged and flooded. So it's longer, but I'm just gonna stick to the road. Odd spot to put plastic flowers. Fountain. And looks like green slime. Let's see what happens. Since it's not raining, I can enjoy myself a little bit more and have a beer. Why do I all of a sudden have the craving for a steak? Now listen here, partner. These bananas yesterday were a little bit expensive, but when I'm in Spain, I always buy the Canary Island bananas because they have less to travel and I'm supporting Spain. This dog. I was laughing at him, but I think he can jump over here and get me, so I'm going to continue on. I don't know what the other way looks like, but no disappointment here. Small picnic area just outside of Gallegos. More picnic spots on the other side of the road. Woo! After 3.5 kilometers, I have linked back up with the official route. Hi! Hi! Rendell. Another big junction, and this place says Menu a Pellegrino, 400 meters. Okay, I'm here, and
Looks like the bar is open.
This is a beautiful little space and lunch is on, but I had that giant banana, so I'm not hungry enough to eat a whole menu. So I'm just gonna grab a beer, which is probably better anyways, because otherwise I'm gonna be walking in the dark again. Oh, and this is a shout out to Fritz. Fritz, thank you very much for the beer. I ended up having a second beer and some nuts and snacks that were provided, so it was a good stop. They're out in the garden. This place is gorgeous. It's like a really kind of romantic getaway. So if you're gonna end your stage here, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed.
Drizzling, but beautiful. All these beautiful villages today. Like FEELIN. Never heard of these places. FEELIN, San Lorenzo Church, Cemetery, and a big view. I was missing my river views. Too misty with the rain. And moving upwards. It was raining pretty hard for a little while. Now it's settled down and I'm enjoying this countryside walk. Pumpkins in a field. Huh. Interesting. Trail junction, but 100 meters to see a nice church. I can handle 100 meters. Camino sign, Dio Mundi, Romantica Church. This was a monastery and a summer residence for the bishops of Lugo. Huh, look at the animals. The carvings around the door are cool, really, really cool. Some local animals. You recognize these guys? A really special looking church.
Well, that was fun. Time to continue on walking in this drizzle drazzle.
100 kilometers? Really? The numbers just don't seem right to me. Really good walking after all that road. Be back in the forest, listening to the birds. This is a pretty long descent. Close to the bottom of the Mino River. Ooh, I wonder if I can take a boat over the next stage. Now we cross.
I'm just gonna give a high five to the mascot for the Galician Alzheimer's Federation.
And they placed him all along the Camino for a social media camera. Climb out this riverbank area now. When you go down, you gotta go back up. Up somewhere around here.
It is past 5:30 and I have 13 more kilometers. Oh boy.
This is very steep going. It's probably an old Roman road. That's just my guess, I don't know. I shall look it up later. It's 6 p.m. I have my headlamp ready for when the darkness falls. There better be a bridge. You know what? These rocks are very slick and I don't want to fall in, so I'm going to go around on the road. Forget it. It's now 6:20. Okay. Have my headlamp on so I can see where I'm stepping. Ooh, some apples. Badly flooded. And get wet up to my ankles. Well, I'm out of the forest. Oh my God. Oh boy. I'm out of the forest. And now I have a number of kilometers to the big town. And then 8 more past that. Talking about how the Invierno was officially recognized as a route in 2016. And I am now entering the city. Traffic is really bad at this time of night. I don't like it. This is adorable. I wish the bull was lit up. Okay. Gotta get through this city. I like the Christmas lights. donkey and a bull. Church is over here. Oh, the door's open, but I really don't have time to go explore. Oh, Chantata is nice. Back into the darkness. For another 2-hour walk. I have arrived at 9:30 in Penicillus.
Okay guys, you won't believe what happened. So in Maps.me, there was the location for the hotel, and I'm walking in the dark, and I arrive at that location, and there's no hotel. There is the village bar open, though. First course is a hot soup. Just what I need after a rainy, dark walk, and I have wet feet, and I'm cold. Hot soup. Second course is steak with french fries and salad. When you get asked a question like, would you like dessert? The answer is always yes. And then a follow-up question is, would you like the chocolate mousse that's house made? It's like, yes, yes again. Look at this fancy thing. I'm a little bit like a zombie. This is a hard day, but chocolate makes life so much better. And wine.